Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study BSc Nursing 4th Year Full Guide. Begin by mapping the entire syllabus into manageable weekly goals and label each session as theory or clinical. Use active recall and spaced repetition for important topics, and practice clinical skills daily in short, focused sessions. Balance study with sleep, hydration, and light exercise to keep your brain sharp and resilient as you progress through the year. Adopt active study methods that work for nursing specifics. Create concise flashcards for drugs, doses, and protocols, and use question banks to simulate exam pressure. Space reviews to revisit topics at increasing intervals, and practice hands-on skills with checklists until you can perform them confidently. Mix short, focused study bursts with brief rest breaks to maintain attention, and review errors immediately to convert weaknesses into strengths. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe now to support more nursing content. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after long clinical days. It makes study commutes feel a bit more pleasant and less stressful. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on clinical competence by practicing core bedside procedures regularly with peers or mentors. Keep a compact skills log to note progress and common errors, and rehearse clear handover scripts to improve team communication. Use clinical rotations to observe variations in patient care and ask targeted questions after each shift. Emphasize infection control, documentation accuracy, and patient safety to build confidence before exams and clinical assessments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.